Yes, these are the ingredients I use in cooking this palm oil native rice. All right. Yeah, if this is your first time to see my channel, well, this channel is all about African food. Do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop video, it will come to you. You have seen the process. After my oil, don't bleach your oil, please. When doing all this, I'm doing. After your oil, you put in your onions, your fish, balance fish, your spice, your ginger, your garlic, and so on and so forth. All right. Yeah, this is my crayfish, which all of us know. After everything, don't bleach your oil before all this process. Then when the thing, then you add in all your rice. Very, very important. When you add in your rice, then you turn very well. Make sure you mix it very, very well so that the thing will not go one side. Then when the food is ready, before you bring it down, put your scent leaf on top and turn it, mix again. All right. When you after this, put in another red oil. That is what make it oil gravy native rice. Anyway way they call them. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to be getting updates how to cook African food with low budget. If you watch my videos, I'm not spending much so that I don't want you also to spend much in arranging your own food. That is why I'm doing it like this, so you understand. Thank you for watching.